Everybody, welcome to the first in a series of short videos on our unit of digital footprint. This is a very important unit because it affects every single one of us. If you get on the internet, if you are on any device, if you're in the cyberspace in any way, this unit affects you because all of us leave a trace behind with every single thing that we do. So today I'd like to go over just two small parts of the unit, and then in the next video I'll go over a few more, and then there'll be a third and final video on a couple of more items. So we're going to ease into it. The first thing I'm going to do is talk to you using this document you see in front of you, which I will attach, and you will have access to that. And most of the information you will need for this unit and for our final project, which will be a presentation, will come from here, most of the stuff. So let's start over here with a definition of digital footprint. Digital footprint is the trail or history left behind by your interactions with the digital environment. And that includes TV on demand, that's streaming also, which a lot of us do nowadays, your cell phone, your internet, anytime you email, you text, any social media format, even if you delete it, it's still there, and you leave an online presence. It can be permanent. In fact, many times it is. Your online presence can also be measured by the number of people you interact with. So a lot of you have a lot of contacts, a lot of friends on social media, and that is all part of your digital footprint. So let's go down to this section. I'd like to cover cookies because cookies are very, very important. Cookies are the little pieces of data that are sent, say, from a website or app that you might be on and stored in your web browser. So for us, most of the time we're using Google Chrome. If you're using a Mac, it's Safari, etc. Often cookies are essential for the website to work. Sometimes a cookie can track your behavior. In fact, many times it does. Approximately half, and I think it's more now, this is an older document, of all websites use cookies in some ways. Cookies remember you and prevent you from having to sign in on every page you visit. Now that's one of the benefits. So if you're using an app all the time or go into a website with an account, you don't have to sign in every time. You just start to type it. In fact, when I start typing some of the apps or websites I go on frequently, I can type in one letter and boom, I'm in the website just by clicking enter. Another benefit of cookies is it optimizes how information is delivered to you on these websites on a computer, because it knows the type of computer you're using, the device you're on, the operating system, the browser you're using, etc. It knows that instantly, and it can make the information get delivered to you much, much faster. One of the maybe not great benefits of cookies might be that they track you. So they can also track what you look or search for when visiting an online store like Amazon, eBay, and serve you up suggestions for similar items on other websites or in advertisements on your Gmail, on Facebook, on Instagram, whatever. Now, this could be a benefit because if you've ever gone on, I bet you most of you can have experienced this before. If I'm shopping for, say, saxophone reeds on eBay or Amazon, the next time I go on, boom, I get several suggestions for a similar item or items that were related to the saxophone or the clarinet or whatever I'm looking for. You may have experienced that also with streaming. If you go on to, say, Hulu or Netflix, and you start looking up and start watching certain kinds of shows, you'll notice that the next time they'll give you suggestions for similar types of shows or direct you to tune into something that they think you'll like, because they collect your data based on your activities. All right, we will pick up again in the next video, and we're going to go over next time what about you can be tracked with your digital footprint, how your information is collected, and what information, once it is collected, is used for. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.